Well, it's too windy to fish, so we're gonna tie a walleye jig or two. Of course, these can be used to catch anything from bass to redfish to catfish, even in sometimes in places. Right now we're working with a 1/2 ounce in the ultra minnow form, and we're going to tie in a little extra flash. Start just to help enhance the finished product. I don't have all the fancy tying equipment and 360 rotating vise like some guys have. I also don't do this full time for a living. I do this in my free time in between guided trips, a full-time ranching farming job, and being on a local little volunteer fire department, as well as being a parent with 2 kids still in the house with several years left to go before they're completely out of high school. So we stay busy and we squeeze the projects in between everything else. It's definitely a rare occasion that anywhere in the month of June or July or August that I have enough free time to sit down and work on one of these. So it's obviously been a minute, bear with me, but